to log into your Peacock account step by step. So in here, you'll need to get through any sort of browser first of all, and then simply search Peacock. Then you'll get the www.peacocktv.com. Then you can simply tap on that link, and then from here you can get the sign in option. Tap on sign in, and then from here all you need to do is add in your email address, then tap on continue. Then there will be requirement of adding down your password. Then you can tap on login, and just like that you'll actually be logged into your Peacock account. So unfortunately, if you have forgotten your email, you can simply tap on the option I don't know my email right here, and then you can go along with the process of how you'll be able to recover your email address too. So in here, if you have forgotten your password, then you can also like get the same option forgot my password. You can tap on that one and go along with the process of how you'll be able to reset your password too, right? So all you need to do is write in your first name, last name, and then payment info, and then submit in order to find your account and go and follow all of the prompt given by it. So just like this, you'll be able to log into your Peacock account. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.